So this is our Xbox One S, and it is a model 1681. It's a model 1681, says right here. And we can take it apart. We're going to start by removing this factory sticker here. By removing the sticker. In the past, if you remove the sticker, you would lose your warranty with Microsoft, but due to a new FTC ruling, that is no longer the case. Now manufacturers have to provide a reason as to why they're voiding your warranty for an aftermarket part or repair. So we're going to go ahead and remove this factory sticker. Like so. And then we're going to stick a knife in here. We sell this knife on our website as well. It's a folding knife. It turns into a credit card. It's really cool. And so what you want to do is just take that clip off, and then the rest of the clips are just gonna get disengaged if you stick your knife in there. You want to be careful not to scratch the surface of the console. Should be one more here. Now we can just pry this thing off like that. Okay. Now we're going to see some screws here. We're only going to remove the green ones. So we're only taking the top case off. We don't need to take the rest of them. So the ones that are highlighted green are the ones that are going to be taken off. And you can use a Torx screwdriver. We also sell this on our website. This is a special screwdriver. Looks like this, the one we sell on the website. And I'm going to be putting a link in the description for that as well. So once we remove these screws, okay, then we can start taking the top case out. You can lift it from the sides, and then the top just will lift off like that. Okay. And that's what you should have now at this point. Now, to remove the network card, it's right here on the side. This is the network card. This is responsible for your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth. This chip right here, if your Wi-Fi is not working or your Bluetooth stops working, your controllers is not connecting anymore, you need to replace this chip. We sell this part on our website. Again, link is going to be in the description and at the end of the video. And you can buy it directly from our website. So to remove this network card, we're going to remove these 3 screws. There's Torx screws. Again, we sell the bit on our website as well, the screwdriver. You're going to remove these 3 screws. And once these screws are removed, you should be able to lift the network card out like this. And it's got this connector on here. It's very easy to remove. You just lift it out and it comes out. And this is the network card. And this is what we're going to be replacing here. We sell this part on our website. We sell the original. And so we're going to put this on the side. Now we're going to install our new network card. This one is from us. And this should have a warranty sticker on the back here. So if you buy it from us, we give out a warranty, but please don't remove the sticker, otherwise you will lose your warranty. So we're going to install the new network card. I'm going to push it down like this, reinstall the Torx screws. Now that we have our new network card installed, we can start reassembling the Xbox. And what we're going to do is we're going to install the top case. What you want to do is you want to make sure the back lines up. The back should line up like this on both sides. Okay, so you're gonna make sure the case lines up in the back and in the front. Yep, make sure everything's flat. And then we're gonna start installing the screws back in. And then we're going to install the bottom case back on. And the best way to do it is to clip in the back. Like this. And then flip it over. Push the white side of the case in, push those clips in, push everything in, make sure everything clicks, make sure this is flat here, none of the clips are sticking out. Same thing in the back, and that's it, we're done. It was that easy. Again, we sell all the parts that you need for this job on our website at www.fasttech.ca, so don't forget to check us out and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.